If your gadgets seem to defy gravity, you're not in a sci-fi movie. You're witnessing acoustic levitation. Imagine objects floating in mid-air without any visible support. That's the magic of acoustic levitation. This incredible technology suspends matter in air using high-intensity sound waves. By harnessing acoustic radiation forces, we can overcome gravity itself. Typically, ultrasonic frequencies are used, inaudible to humans but powerful enough to counteract gravity. Thanks to piezoelectric transducers, these frequencies generate the high amplitude needed for levitation. Beyond the wow factor, acoustic levitation has practical uses. It's a game changer for containerless processing of delicate objects like microchips and high-purity materials. And with innovations like 3D printed components creating acoustic holograms, the possibilities are expanding. So next time you see something floating, remember, it's not magic, it's science. Hit that like button and subscribe for more analysis of tech being reverse engineered.